Sunlight creeping through the blind slope. You in my hoodie with your hair cold. Final crackle coffee on the counter, laughing at my jokes like nobody louder. Small town nights in the gas station glow. Windows down while the old songs roll. You dance barefoot in the kitchen light. Make a bad week feel alright. And I know you got that look that calm my storms. Cold hands but your heart stays warm. Every time you pull me close, feel like heaven in a rundown home. Late nights, cheap wine, tangled in the sheets. Everybody talks but they don't know what we keep. Blue jeans, white lies, kiss marks on my neck. Girl, you got me scared of what happens if you left. Stay woke, don't let the world change us. Don't let the smoke erase us. You are peace when my mind gets rough. Stay close, even when the lights fade out, even when the noise gets loud. Girl, you know you calm me down. Stay woke, stay woke. Stay woke. You smell like vanilla and cigarettes. Oh, Fleetwood songs and tangled beds. You say, baby, slow down when I drive too fast. Like you already know I'm running from my past. We got no mansion, no Hollywood dream, just late night fries and a silver screen. But I swear when you look at me, it's bigger than the movies ever seen. And your blue eyes cut through my haze, pull me back on my reckless days. Everybody else just faced the gray when your hand finds mine that way. Maybe we both got scars, but you still kiss my broken parts like they ain't broken at all.